Seniors, what if the secret to relieving 13 painful health problems is already sitting in your kitchen right now, quietly saving lives, and yet almost no one is talking about it? This isn't a joke. Most people over 60 are using this common white powder just for baking, when in reality, it might help with kidney issues, arthritis, heartburn, infections, and more. It costs just pennies, but can do what many expensive treatments can't. Still, more than 80% of seniors have never used it the right way. Why are these powerful benefits being ignored? Is it too simple to be taken seriously? Stay with me until the end, because I'll also tell you who should never use it without caution. Let's begin. Number 1. Helps your body detox naturally. Baking soda isn't just for cleaning your sink. It supports the body's natural detox process. When mixed in water, it becomes alkaline. This helps balance your body's pH and reduce acid levels. Many seniors use baking soda in a warm bath to ease itchy skin, rashes, or irritation. Soaking in this solution may help your skin feel fresh and relaxed. Some people drink a small amount in water to support toxin removal through urine. One important study showed that baking soda can help patients with chronic kidney disease by lowering acid in the blood. But remember, overusing it can be harmful. Use it wisely and always consult a doctor if you have health conditions. Number 2. Cleans your mouth and whitens teeth. If your teeth are yellowing or your gums bleed, baking soda might help. It gently scrubs away stains from tea, coffee, and smoking without harming the enamel, if used carefully. Baking soda is alkaline, so it balances your mouth's pH and makes it hard for bacteria to grow. This means fewer cavities, less gum disease, and fresher breath. Studies prove that toothpastes with baking soda clean better and remove more plaque than others. But don't overdo it. Use it only a few times a week with a soft brush to avoid damaging enamel. Number 3. Quickly relieves heartburn. After eating, if you feel a painful burn in your chest or throat, it's likely heartburn. This is caused by acid reflux. Many seniors deal with this after spicy or fatty meals. Instead of running to the pharmacy, try this. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink slowly. It can neutralize stomach acid almost immediately. Doctors even recognize it as a fast and effective home antacid. But again, don't make this a daily habit. Use it only occasionally when needed. Number 4. Fights fungal infections. Do you suffer from athlete's foot or itchy red skin in moist areas like toes or armpits? These are often caused by fungus. Baking soda changes the pH on your skin, making it harder for fungus to grow. A scientific study proved that baking soda killed 80% of fungus strains in a lab. You can make a paste with water or use it in a foot bath to calm the itch and dryness. It's gentle, chemical-free, and safe for most people. Number 5. May soothe urinary tract infections. If you've ever felt a burning sensation while urinating or had frequent urges to go, you know how painful a UTI can be. Some people mix baking soda in water to make their urine less acidic, which might reduce pain and stop bacteria from spreading. One study in Japan showed that women with repeated UTIs improved after drinking baking soda for just 4 weeks. But don't stop taking your antibiotics. This is only for extra relief and should be done under medical advice. Number 6. Helps heal canker sores. Small but painful ulcers in your mouth can make it hard to eat or talk. Baking soda neutralizes acid in the mouth and can calm irritation. Just mix half a teaspoon in warm water and rinse. A study proved that this helped reduce pain and sped up healing. It also helps clean the sore and keeps bacteria from making it worse. Number 7. Boosts exercise performance. Feeling tired too quickly during workouts? That's because your muscles build up acid during intense activity. Baking soda works as a buffer. It reduces that acid, delays fatigue, and helps you perform better. Athletes often take it before workouts to last longer. A large study review confirmed that baking soda helped in sports like sprinting and cycling. Usually, it's taken 60 to 90 minutes before exercise, but too much can upset your stomach, so start with a small dose. Number 8. Supports kidney health. People with chronic kidney disease often have too much acid in their blood. Baking soda helps reduce this acid and slows down kidney damage. In a large study, patients who took baking soda supplements lost kidney function more slowly and avoided dialysis longer. But this should only be done under medical supervision. Too much baking soda can cause water retention and high blood pressure, especially in kidney or heart patients. Number 9. May ease arthritis symptoms. If you're living with joint pain, swelling, or stiffness, baking soda might help. A 2018 study showed that it can calm the immune system and reduce inflammation in people with rheumatoid arthritis. Drinking a daily solution of baking soda helps shift the body into a less inflamed state. This means less pain and more ease of movement. It's not a replacement for medicine, but could be an additional tool, used with care. Number 10. Helps control gout attacks. Gout causes sudden pain and swelling, usually in the big toe. It happens when uric acid builds up in the blood. Baking soda neutralizes this acid and helps remove it through urine. One study found it helped dissolve uric acid crystals, reducing pain and flare-ups. Drink half a teaspoon mixed in water during a gout attack, but do it only under medical guidance. Number 11. Relieves cold and flu symptoms. A sore throat or blocked nose? Try a warm baking soda gargle. It can ease pain, break down mucus, and help clear your nasal passages. A study proved that baking soda mouth rinses reduce throat irritation and germs. It can also be added to saline rinses for more relief. It's safe, natural, and might help you recover faster. Number 12. May support cancer treatment. Cancer cells grow better in acidic environments. Baking soda might help by making the area around tumors less acidic. In a study with mice, baking soda slowed cancer growth and made cells more sensitive to treatment. Scientists are now studying if it can work with chemotherapy in humans. It's still early research, and you should never use baking soda as a cure, but it might one day help support medical treatments. Number 13. Natural deodorant. If you're tired of deodorants with chemicals, try baking soda. It absorbs sweat and kills odor-causing bacteria. A study found that it reduced underarm odor effectively when applied to the skin. It's a clean, cheap, and simple way to stay fresh. Just use a small amount under the arms or mix with coconut oil. It's also free from harsh ingredients that irritate the skin. While baking soda has many benefits, it's not for everyone. If you have kidney disease, high blood pressure, heart problems, stomach ulcers, or are pregnant, talk to your doctor before using it. It contains sodium, which can raise blood pressure or cause fluid retention. It can also affect your stomach's acid levels or lead to breathing issues if inhaled. Always use small amounts and don't rely on it daily unless advised by a professional. So now you know, this cheap kitchen item can help with 13 real health problems, from infections to inflammation. But it's only helpful if used the right way. Are you already using baking soda for any of these remedies, or are you trying it for the first time? Share your story in the comments. And if you learned something useful today, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more health tips made simple. Your support helps more people discover life-changing information.